Hi there, Rachel here from Get Feedback. Welcome to another episode of Simplifying CX. If you're new to our channel, our video series is dedicated to providing you straightforward answers to the biggest CX challenges. If this sounds relevant to you, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I'm going to talk about the main differences between customer experience, also known as CX, and digital experience, also known as DX. First, I'll define the relationship between customer experience and digital experience. Then, I'll dive into the 4 steps you need to take to design great digital experiences. Think of customer experience as an umbrella term that envelops digital experience. In other words, digital experience is a key component of your overall customer experience strategy. This is evident when you look at the definitions of each term. Customer experience is how your customers perceive all of their interactions with your brand. Great customer experience means meeting or exceeding the expectations of your customers during all interactions with your company. Digital experience, on the other hand, includes how customers perceive their interactions with you on strictly digital channels like websites, apps, and emails. This distinction is important to know, but what's more important is understanding that in most cases, there is no great customer experience without a great digital experience. We live in a world where customers don't think about their experiences in digital and non-digital terms. They want to access companies in the way most convenient to them, regardless of channel. Looking at CX and DX as a holistic approach creates consistency across the customer journey, and that consistency creates customer loyalty. So now let's dive into the 4 steps necessary to take to design great digital experiences. These are collecting customer feedback, analyzing customer feedback, designing for speed, and optimizing for mobile. Let's start with collecting and acting on digital feedback. You should collect feedback across all relevant channels for your company, such as websites and apps. For instance, run surveys on new app features or the returns process on your site. Once you've collected this feedback, you need to analyze it, look for trends, and identify your customers' frustrations. In the digital world, things move fast. If a website isn't loading right, brands are expected to fix bugs and respond to complaints in real time, or else face losing valuable customers. When you're ready to make changes to your digital experience, it's important to design with speed in mind. To design great digital experiences, enable your customers to accomplish tasks quickly. If an interaction takes 4 or 5 steps for the customer to complete, can you change it to 2 or 3 steps instead? Which takes us to step 4, optimize the mobile experience. Mobile optimization means adjusting your website content to ensure that your users have an experience customized to their device. The average American checks their phone every 12 minutes. Some people check every 4 minutes. To deliver a great mobile experience, you need to maintain the same standards of quality as your website in regards to things like the look and feel, the ease of navigation, ease to complete a task, etc., as users would expect on their laptop. Same goes for any mobile apps, of course. Here, consistency is key. And don't forget, the goal is to provide your mobile customers with the quickest and easiest way to accomplish their tasks. So let's recap. You want your digital efforts to complement your overall customer experience program so that your customer experiences a seamless journey across channels. That seamless experience creates consistency, and consistency creates customer loyalty. Lastly, when designing digital experiences, you need to focus on collecting customer feedback, analyze customer feedback, designing for speed, and optimizing for mobile. For more on how to deliver great digital experiences, check out the free guide I've added in the description section below. Also, if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in the future, please add it to the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos that simplify CX. Until next time.